Well, guys, it's finally stopped snowing, even though there's still snow on the ground. And we have started to look in to see what the leaks are because it's been snowing and raining, so.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So, you know about getting stuff on a budget, you're guaranteed to have things like this. Took a look at the camper. Sorry about how dark it is, guys. We got some water damage, and it looks like we got some water damage where the repair was done by the last person. It's not too bad, but it does come up to the front. The corners are wet. We ripped out that stuff in there. I'm guessing it's probably wet in the very front, right in the same spot. Looks like they tried to do a good job, but they didn't seal it properly. They didn't seal the corners properly, which has let the water back in. Should have started taping this as soon as we started on it, but I got all gung-ho and decided, hey, better now. So,
well, the thing is, when you buy these, they look perfectly fine. Like this looks all perfectly fine, no issues, no water, no nothing. And then when you get a little bit of water damage, you're like, we should investigate that. The thing is, when you investigate it, it's not just right there. It's up there, it's over here, it's possibly over here.
So if you take a look on this side, guys, same thing in the corner, but it's solid. Solid right here. The water damage is exactly right where I said it was going to be. It's right in the front, right? Look at how soft this is.
Oh God. You can stick your finger through it.
But it's solid back here. So what it is the water got in on the seals because they took those seals off, right? They didn't seal them up properly, and that's what's happening. So this is super soft. That's what happened on the other side. So I'm guessing this is actually pretty solid, but it's fairly new and it's a fairly thick panel. But I'm probably going to find exactly the same thing on the other side.
Oh, I'm hoping not, but I have a sneaking suspicion when that back panel comes off, which it doesn't look like it's in bad shape. They did the roof in here for sure, so we don't think there's any leaks up there, but until we take the back wall off, we'll have no idea what lurks behind. Stay tuned. It's coming up. What's behind door number one? Dun, dun, dun.
Well, guys, you're going to see this just like I am right now.
Ooh, please don't be bad. Please don't be bad. Please don't be bad. Please don't be bad. Oh, yay. It doesn't look terrible, except for there's some little critters in there that will be, oh, there's a few little critters. Oh, it's right there in the corner. That's where our leak's at. Is the top okay? The top looks good. Ooh.
So it looks like they did the right thing by styrofoaming it in there, guys. I'll give them credit for that. They tried.
They didn't styrofoam here, which is a mistake. The styrofoam does not absorb water.
So they styrofoamed it. It looks like they put new wood in the front.
That doesn't look too bad. I have to scrape all that glue off that wood and put that back up there. Ooh, save the piece, because we might be able to paint that with kills.
So, guys, let's find out right now what's behind door number one.
And we have tin.
Boom! They replaced all the wood.
In there. See, look at. You see the drips?
Yep.
See the drips? They didn't seal the top. We need to seal that top up.
But you know what, guys? In reality,
not bad.
Not bad. It could have been way worse. But I know that this is going to be the bad side right here.
Those pieces.
You know what, guys? I'm actually pleasantly surprised. It's just that corner. So they replaced the front. They replaced the front. They did a good job. The water was leaking in from moisture. You know what, guys? We'll show you some more later. So after further inspection of our awesome camper, our awesome find, that was still a really good deal in case you're wondering. Sorry if the camera's shaking a little bit. Right now it's just sitting on the counter on the tripod and I'm moving around in the camper. But after further inspection of that front part with that water damage that's done in the corners, even though the front was redone, I've come to the conclusion we're gutting it. We're taking everything out of here. The walls, the cupboards, everything is going to come out. We're going to slowly gut it. I'm going to try and show you guys some footage. We're going to rebuild it the way we want to. It's going to be fun, guys. What are we going to come across? So I don't know if you can really tell, but I'll try and move you around in here. It's not a lot of room. So that was the bunk over there. Right here, there used to be a closet. I've already taken that out. And the cupboards above. The reason you're seeing the brown there is the cupboards are framed in and it was painted around to make it match the inside. So you can actually see the wood grain is where I pulled all the wood out. That wall actually isn't that bad on the inside, but I know the corners have some rot in them up at the bunk and at the back by the door. Right there and by that window. So, better be safe than sorry. I'm gonna start taking it apart. Sorry I haven't showed me taking it apart yet, guys. When I start working on this other side, I'll do a quick little time lapse of me taking it apart. I'm trying to get some of this done tonight. Let's see what happens. Okay. So here's where we are. Don't you like the wallpaper back there? Sorry about the light, guys. It's very dark outside. It gets dark at about 4:30 right now. So I've taken off the paneling that they put on top of the ceiling to cover up the original paneling, and now I know why. It's got dry rot, which is okay because that was the plan. Completely take it down, make sure the bones are all good, the whole 9 yards. Like I said, we got this camper dirt cheap, so you know what? For some extra time, and I like tinkering, it's going to be great. But here's where I am right now. This thing. I can't figure out how to get this one off. It's like, it's up there. I'm telling you, it's up there. I've taken all the screws that I can see and it doesn't want to come. I really don't want to wreck it because I like to, it's got no mold or mildew or anything on it. I'd really like to use it. But I'm thinking it's glued. Anytime I stick anything up there, it's so weak up here, it's just going through. So, I don't know. Let's see what I can do. This thing, it looks like it was screwed from the roof down. I'm hoping I didn't pull through screws right through the roof. Let's find out. Apparently somebody spilled rice. Key anyone? Looks like we got some wires holding us up. I think it's down. The ceiling's a little bit worn, but I don't know why. The screws right here. And they're not going up. They're coming down, so I'm going to do a totally different idea when I rebuild this. But there's no mold, there's no nothing in it, so a little bit of drywall at the end. Well, what's next? Hey guys, so
we did it.
It's down. You know what though? Was gonna start on the paneling by the door. Oh, sorry about the bouncing.
But instead, No more cupboards. Gotta fix that.
But it's getting late.
And cold.
She's cold.
And it's his birthday, and your birthday dinner is waiting for you inside.
Yes, it's my birthday. I have to go eat. I don't even know what time it is.
8.
It's 8 o'clock.
It's dinner time.
So, I think I'm going to pack it in for tonight, guys. I'm going to hit it again tomorrow.
And do...
In the daylight.
that wall. And I'm afraid what's up there.
I'm actually hoping tomorrow to get this whole thing tear down. I'm hoping to have the ceiling paneling off. Find out what's going on up there at the rafters. I'm hoping to have paneling off on the walls. It's going to be daylight. I can see what I'm doing.
Stay tuned. To be continued. Dun dun dun.
Hey, before I leave, guys, did you smash that red button? You know, the one right down there. Did you hit it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, wait. It's okay. Alright, guys. You like videos like this? She's laughing. You like videos of this? Smash that like button. Please don't forget to subscribe. Try that again. Please don't forget to subscribe. It's been a long day. And hit that notification bell so you'll be notified of the next video that we put out on right now. This mess of a camper.
Demolition.
Thanks, guys.